Hey there, Jeffrey here, a beauty director here at Sephora.
And hi guys, my name's Becca and I work on the education team.
We're so excited to share with you your January Play by Sephora box, and the theme this month is
Your Beauty
Future.
Don't forget, in each box is a play pass worth 50 points with any purchase online or in store. You just need to use the code when you're doing online checkout.
And then also keep in mind that there are multiple versions of this box out there. So you're not gonna get every product that we talk about in this video, but you're gonna get a ton, so get excited. Okay.
You make me laugh.
Okay, I see some makeup written in our stars. What's first, Becca?
So this is the Beauty Blender Cleanser Solid Pro. This is a charcoal-infused soap that helps to remove any excess product, oil, or dirt from makeup tools. So maybe your beauty blenders or any of your makeup brushes at home.
Especially as a makeup artist, I love this product because it even gets out stains.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, it's amazing. Next up, we have a product that's exclusive to Sephora. This is the Clinique Almost Lipstick in Black Honey. Now, this is a beautiful lipstick that's sheer in texture and delivers a beautiful burgundy tint to the lips.
Oh, it's so beautiful. It looks ultra light too.
Very cushiony wear, very hydrating.
And who would you recommend this for?
Honestly, it looks good on all skin tones because it actually kind of mimics the tone of natural lip color.
So next we have the Smashbox Photo Finish Water Primer. It's a 3-in-1 water priming spray. It's gonna hydrate, it's gonna refresh, and it actually preps the skin for makeup application. This is a great product for any girl or guy on the go who wants to be able to like reapply throughout the day. It's a great face mist, or you can use it in the morning as a setting spray.
Very nice. You want some?
Yeah. Ooh.
It's got a really nice, clean scent. Very fresh.
It does. And I feel like my makeup is refreshed and a little bit more revived.
We have another product that's exclusive to Sephora from Bite Beauty, and this is the Matte Creme Lip Crown in the shade Glacé.
Cool.
Now, this is a really beautiful, durable, long wear lip color that's super high pigment. It's actually infused with orange peel wax, which is going to give you a water-resistant yet hydrating wear.
Oh, I didn't know this was water-resistant.
And I love this dusty mauve shade. I think it's going to look good on everyone.
Let's talk about some products to get celestial skin.
So first up from Laneige, we have the Water Sleeping Mask. Now, this is one of my favorite products. I'm obsessed with K-Beauty right now.
Totally.
And I love this product because it works while you're sleeping.
Amazing.
Which is great.
We all want this.
Exactly. It's infused with hydroionized mineral water, which boosts the skin hydration from the inside out.
Our next sleeping mask is the Belief Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. This guy is amazing because it's gonna hydrate, it's gonna revive that dry, dull skin while you sleep. So another while you sleep product.
I love it.
And my favorite part about this guy is it actually has this unique lightweight texture and it feels like this jelly pudding. So when you put it on your face, it actually like hugs the contours of your face.
I know, that's what I love from K-Beauty. They always bring the coolest, most innovative textures.
Totally.
So next up, we have another product that's exclusive to Sephora, and this is from Drunk Elephant. It's the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. It's an amazing ultra whipped moisturizer that relieves the skin from environmental stressors.
Wow, I can feel just how rich the texture is on my hand.
It's infused with 6 rare African oils, plantain extract, and fermented green tea.
So next we have Sunday Riley's Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. This is a must-have for anyone's skincare routine. It's going to help improve fine lines, wrinkles, and any of that dullness that we see on our skin. This exfoliating acid treatment is ideal for all skin types.
Now, I get a question a lot on how to use this. It's really easy to incorporate into your routine. You want to put it on clean skin before your moisturizer. Anytime you're applying a treatment, that's how you want to use it. So next up from Sunday Riley, we have the CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. This is infused with a 15% vitamin C complex that's going to brighten, lighten, and tighten the skin.
Oh my God, amazing.
Yeah, it's really great for discoloration and hyperpigmentation or dark spots on the skin.
Totally, and I think that this vitamin C is actually one of our like must-have ingredients within your skincare routine.
Any dermatologist will recommend using vitamin C because it's got amazing benefits. Next up from Origins, we have the Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to Clear Pores.
Amazing.
So anybody who's concerned with congestion, maybe blackheads, this is a really great product to try. This is infused with active bamboo charcoal, which is going to help to remove impurities from the skin. It's really easy to use. You want to put a generous layer and allow it to completely dry, and then you can rinse it off to clean, refreshed, bright skin.
Oh, I love to have this one within my routine. So something new and different, special to this box this month, is the inclusion of wellness supplements.
Love that. You know I'm on that wellness tip.
You are totally on that vibe right now.
Yes, for sure.
First up is the Hum Nutrition Daily Cleanse Clear Skin and Breakout Supplement. So this is going to be a vegan ingestible product made with organic ingredients.
Awesome.
So it's formulated with organic algae and has 14 herbs and minerals that are detoxifying.
Oh, perfect. So it's like starting with a clean slate from the inside out.
Exactly.
Love that. So next up, we have some drinkable beauty from Four Sigmatic.
Amazing. I love this brand.
Yeah, this is the Golden Latte Mushroom Mix, and this is made with powerful mushrooms, ginger, turmeric, and black pepper, all amazing glow-getting ingredients. Now, these are gonna really help to boost glow from the inside out. It's really easy to use. You can mix it into 7 ounces of warm water or coffee or tea. So last up, we have hair care, and I know you're a hairstylist.
Yes.
So you're the perfect person to tell us about this product.
Yes. So we have Living Proof's Restore Perfecting Spray. This is a leave-in conditioner that's going to add softness, smoothness, and help to enhance shine. This is a great product for our friends who have dry, damaged hair, but really anyone can use it and see a benefit from this product. I can even show you on your hair.
Yeah, because I've got some quinch curls I was going to see.
Oh, you totally do.
Okay, let's feel. Oh, very nice. Super hydrating. I feel like it kind of like wakes the curl back up a little bit.
Yeah, so you can actually use this on wet or dry hair in
Okay,
order
cool.
to get that extra boost of hydration.
I love that. So no play box would be complete without some beauty bonuses.
No.
And I love these are all like little duos.
Totally. So first up, we have Miraggio, and this is their Nourishing Cleansing Cream and Deep Treatment Butter. And we also have the Way Repair Shampoo and Conditioner.
Last up from Bite Beauty, we have the Agave Lip Balm and the Agave Sugar Lip Scrub.
And as a reminder, with every play box, you also get the playbook. And so this is gonna be everything that you need to know, tips and tricks for the products featured in your box. This month is extra special because it's all about beauty scopes.
It's such a cute little star chart.
Yes, so you actually get to see what your 2019 beauty horoscope would be.
Now, what's your sign?
I'm a Capricorn. What are you?
I'm a Libra.
Ooh, we both love the finer things in life.
Legit, that's why we do beauty.
Yes.
Now, also attached to your playbook is your Play Pass. This is redeemable for 50 Beauty Insider points in store or online. All you do is enter the code that's on the back on checkout.
Yeah, super simple.
We're pretty social here at Sephora, and we want to see your unboxing videos, so be sure to tag us at #SephoraPlay.
Yes, and share what your favorite products are in the comments below.
Okay, so that's all we have for you today. Hopefully you feel cosmically equipped to take on your
Yes.
2019, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Ciao. Hey there, Jeffrey here, a beauty director and Libra. Just kidding. I won't say Becca this time. I'll let you.
That's okay. I don't mind you introducing me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Because then it's like you know me.
Yeah, right. And I'm here with Becca.
Woo woo! Cool. And don't forget, in each box.
So let's start with some makeup. I see it's written in our stars. From Bite Beauty, we have the matte.
And show us and tell us what you like, what's in your box. And I'm saying,
And show us and tell us what's inside your box.
and this is the Cleanser Blender Pro. Yep, and it does all the things.
You got the 6?
I'm literally putting my finger in. I did not realize that was happening until after it was already done.
And we're clear.
I feel awkward. Like.
Minutes. We're rolling. Jassie's got her plate.
Stars, fresh brain. Written in the stars, horoscope. Call me now for your free reading.
We're
I always wanted to do that.